Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss how PSU and private banks are financially performing and which one is better placed for investment. 1 month back in our video, we discussed about the reviving credit growth in India's banking sector, in which bank loan growth data showed improving credit growth of banks. Financial performance of a bank is measured in terms of various growth rates and ratios like advances growth, deposit growth, net interest income, net interest margin, gross NPA, net NPA, CASA ratio, operating profit growth, provision coverage ratio and capital adequacy ratio. So let's see how PSU and private banks have performed on these parameters in last 6 quarters. First, let's talk about the advances growth of banks. As you can see in table, advances are continuously increasing for all private banks and mostly in double digits. Two banks which continuously registered double-digit growth are HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, however, outperformed the peers. If we talk about PSU banks, their advances are also growing, and surprisingly, Canara Bank, PNB and Union Bank of India reported double-digit advances growth in Q1 of FY23 on year-on basis. Now let's talk about the asset quality of a bank. Gross NPA is an important parameter to check the non-performing assets of a bank. It is sum of all the loans that have been defaulted by the individuals who have acquired loans from the bank. In FY22, non-performing assets of bank fall to 6-year low and now are at 10-year low. As you can see in table, NPAs are falling almost for all private and PSU banks on a quarterly basis. HDFC Bank has the lowest gross NPA ratio in private banks and SBI has lowest in public sector bank. Another important ratio to watch in banks is net interest margin. Net interest margin is the ratio of net interest income to the value of its invested assets. Net interest margin is also improving for both PSU and private banks. Among private banks, Kotak Mahindra Bank have the highest net interest margin of 4.92%. CASA ratio, which is measured as the percentage of current account and saving account to the total deposits of bank, showed mixed performance among private and PSU banks in last 6 quarters. In private banks, ICICI Bank's CASA ratio is continuously improved in last 6 quarters. In leading PSU banks, CASA ratio improved for Bank of Baroda, while for other banks it remained flat. From the financial performance, it can be seen that both private and PSU banks are performing well. The banking sector is further expected to perform well. CareEdge, the leading rating company, estimates the credit growth of banks to be in the range of 12 to 13% in FY23. The recent reversal of FII's trend to net buying is another positive development for the banking sector. When it comes to investment advice, we prefer best performers. In private banks, we like ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. ICICI Bank is a consistent performer among private banks, while HDFC Bank will benefit from the HDFC merger. In PSU banks, we like SBI and Canara Bank. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.